pussy girls? Welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. J. Cole, cool guy, 99 Build Freestyle, cool song. So let's go into this one. And before we do that, I have a new channel, Gruvgear Guitar, 6 strings ago. That's the name of it. Link up here. I want you to support me there. So if you can, go and subscribe to my new channel. A new way of learning a cool song from A to Z. Chord shown, full playthrough. That's the deal. So if you appreciate my work here, then the best way to thank me is to subscribe to that channel. Thank you so much. Now let's focus on J. Cole. Capo on 7th, absolute best scenario. This is the absolute best way to handle the song. Capo on 7th, 2 chords, D minor, A minor, simple way. Let's go through the 2 chords. We're gonna start with D minor, which is kind of used the 99% of the song. Open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. And sometimes we're gonna dive into the A minor, and that goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. All right, so we have this melody. It goes like this, with the built-in beat and everything. I'm gonna go in the end of this tutorial to go with a simple string pattern, so you don't have to care about melodies and all that. But if you can do this part, that is the coolest thing. So let's start with the most important things. We have the notes in D minor first. You're gonna aim for this 1st fret E string. That's the melody. You're gonna support it with the open D string because that is the bass note. So if you can pick more strings than just that 1st fret E string. You can actually hold the full chords like I do and pick kind of all strings if you want to. But the important thing is here to go with this 1st high E string together maybe with that open D in the bass. Then comes the open high E. Then if you can, give it a clap, and then 3rd fret B string, then open D again in the bass, then clap, and open D again. That's one round. So slowly. Cool, huh? You're gonna play that for 6 rounds. So and then in the 7th round, you're gonna switch off to the A minor. The notes now is 1st fret high E, open E in the same way, and the clap. And then comes the 2nd fret G. And once I play that, I also incorporate the bass string, which is the open A. And if you want, you can also hold the 2nd fret D string from the actual A minor chord. So it gets a little fleshy, meaty right there. So in the same way to play that 2nd G string, which is the important note, the melody note, you're gonna support it with the bass or maybe also from the full chord. Then once you've done that, you're gonna hit that clap. Then the open A is now the bass note, and then the clap and open A. So the A minor part is so 1st E, open E, clap. 2nd G, open A, clap, open A. And then you're gonna turn back to the D minor, and you're gonna do that in this way. So it's the 2nd fret G, open high E, then comes the clap, and then 3rd fret B, then open D, clap, and open D. All right, so I'm gonna give you the A minor and the last D slowly so you get the transition there from, you have played the 6 rounds of D minor. You're gonna go now into the A minor. It goes like this. So again. Sorry. Always harder to play slow. in tempo. I'm gonna play a couple of rounds for D minor, A minor, and D minor. It goes like this. Alright, so I promise a string pattern in the end as well. You could play like this. Okay, so one round is down, up, clap, down, down, clap, down. So down, up, clap, down, and then a short pause, and then down, clap, down. So down, up, clap, down, down, clap, down. And that replaces one round. So 6 rounds of D minor, then 1 on A minor, and 1 on D minor, and then just roll that till the very end, guys. 99, Build Freestyle. Hope you enjoyed it. Till next time, play tune.